Hello YouTube. In this tutorial, I will be talking about New Jersey Anchor benefits. It's a new update and it's paying. So this is the official website where you'll be doing the filing. As you can see the conditions that would qualify you for the benefits. Take note, on October 1st, 2020, you were either a homeowner or renter. So I'm going to use renter as my option. So from this point, it will take you to this page. So you need to read the eligibility information carefully so you know which one you qualify for and how you go about applying for it. Now, I would like to state that there's a private PDF I've written separately for this particular tutorial so that you'll be able to maximize your anchor benefit to about $900. So on this page, you can see all of the eligibility information. You can see the filing deadline, 29th of December 2023. So you need to hurry up and get the PDF right now. The private PDF for you to file your anchor benefit New Jersey clients and get $900 weekly. Okay, so read through the eligibility information carefully or just DM me so I'll give you all the information necessary. Basically, putting your SSN in there and then you proceed from there, which is where you'll be needing the tutorial. Okay, so now let's look at the eligibility requirements. You can see you were a New Jersey resident as of 2020 and your gross income must not be more than $150,000. You paid rent or you leased a property. Okay, so I'm basically summarizing all of the eligibility for you. You can go check out the benefits are calculated, but I've basically gone through the site and I've written a PDF that will show you how to get at least $900 maximum, and that's weekly. So that's about 1 million. So you need to DM me if you're interested in PDF, or you go to the website and do the filing yourself. Okay, so this is basically a very new update and it's been right now. Okay, so you really need to buckle up and focus on New Jersey in the meantime and get me SSN and driver's license. Let's cash out. Okay, so you can see you can see how the benefits are calculated here. You can see for younger, for 50, 65, older, 700. But I have a hack for this, which will enable you get up to 900. That is why I said you need the private PDF. Okay, so you know about getting at least 900. So you can make about at least 10 million of this naira. That's about $10,000. Okay, because the filing deadline is close by. So yeah, that's basically how you go about it. I just need you to come to my DM for the PDF or you submit your SSN and driver's license. Let's work on this. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notification. I drop quality updates regularly, okay? So you don't miss my updates. So get me New Jersey clients, SSN and driver's license. Bye for now.